Hello my friends, welcome back to a brand new episode on SpaceX. We are exploring the fresh update from SpaceX's Starship test, pushing towards Mars colonization. The Falcon 9 rocket blasted off with NASA's IMAP to map space weather that traced amid rising solar activity. Stoke Space's Nova rocket is also tracing to reusable orbit as private space firms boom post-ISS era, and Blue Origin's new Shepard hitting new heights in suborbital science during a year of record flights. Buckle up for a fun fact, questions and answers that make space feel closer than ever. This and many more to be shared on today's episode on SpaceX. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what exactly are you waiting for? Kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in, shall we? Starting with our first spotlight, ever wonder why SpaceX's flap tests are key to landing on other worlds? This wiggles ensures precise control during re-entry, drawing from NASA's shuttle tech, but armed for reusability. Fun fact, earlier prototypes exploded mid-test, but now they are nailing it down, tying into the 2024 Mars sample return plans, delayed by budget woes. Imagine flapping like a bird in zero gravity. What excitement will that be? Flowing seamlessly like a cosmic trail into the nest. What makes spotting a new booster section a game changer for the Starship system? It signals version 3 upgrades for heavier payloads, echoing the Apollo program's rapid evolution amid Cold War pressure. Engaging twist, this half-piece coral habitats to the moon, where recent water discoveries spark base building dreams. Picture assembling a cosmic Lego set. It is an incredible scene. Gliding onwards as smoothly as a satellite into orbit. How does a full static fire prep Starship for the stars? It simulates launch stresses, building on 2023's explosion lessons to avoid mid-flight failures. Backstory alert, this ties into NASA's Artemis delays from 2026, pushing human moon returns. This is actually the second time that SpaceX is testing a Starship right on the launch mount. It is always an incredible thing to see these ships breathe fire. Sooner than later, the upgrade at Mars will be complete, and no more will the Starship undergo their static fire at the launch mount. They will all be transported to Mars, and I hope that SpaceX do not encounter any more static fire hurdles, as it is always a critical point in the Starship's test development. Transitioning with the grace of a solar sail, why bundle 3 probe on a Falcon 9 ride? It slashes cost via ride share, inspired by 1990s budget crunches that birthed efficient missions. Fun answer, the IMAP scans cosmic ray, threatening electronics amid 2025 solar maximum spiking auroras worldwide. Think of this ride share as an Uber for satellites, efficient and eco-friendly, sweeping ahead like a meteor shower. What happens post Falcon 9 liftoff for the IMAP? Successful deployment means real-time data on solar storms, linking to 2024 global blackout that scares from flares. The probe's journey to L1 point mirrors Voyager's epic trek, but focused on protecting GPS. Imagine dodging space weather like a video game boss. That is always incredible. Pivoting poetically as planets align. How does qualifying Nova Stage 2 boost reusable rockets? It proves durability under extreme lows, rooted in shuttle's reusability dreams dashed by cost. With a $260 million fresh funding, Stoke eyes 2026 orbit amid booming LEO economy. Stoke Space is also not playing any games with their Nova rocket. They are fast ahead with production, and sooner than you think, we will see this rocket breathe fire in no time. We are rooting for you guys and we are supporting you. It is always an incredible scene to see the Zenith engine roaring to life. It is a beast. This full flow stage combustion engine is like the Raptor, but the Raptor is always the king of all engines. It is always an incredible scene to see this engine breathe fire. Merging melodies like cosmic harmonies. Why does a 200-second Zenith burn matters for Stoke Space? It mimics full mission stresses, evolving from 1960s engine tech back greener with hydrogen. Recent news indicate flame diverter ready at the Cape, signaling launches soon. This efficiency could cut costs dramatically. at approximately 20 times, which makes space travel cheaper for each flight. Concluding our cosmic journey with a starry flourish, what elevates NS-35 payload tally to over 200. It democratized microgravity research from student experiments to NASA's ties amid 2025 suborbital edges, post-Virgin galactic pivots. This flight success fueled New Glenn's hype, blending education with exploration like a sky-high classroom. Blue Origin is also playing no games out with their new Shepard rocket. The NS-35 mission was beautiful, it was glorious, and always seeing New Shepard come back to life is always incredible. The space community is also rooting for Blue Origin, and we are hoping to see New Glenn's second flight test. It will be an incredible sight. Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. Dropping 2 videos each week is my specialty, and I'm telling you, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right here, they were my previous uploads and it's a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.